Torah. There was once someone that went over to the Stipler Gaon, and he went to Rabbi Yaakov Yisrael Kanievsky, and he goes in and he brings a kvittel, writes a letter, and in the letter he writes that his name is so-and-so, and his parents' name is so-and-so, and his family name is so-and-so. So the Stipler Gaon reads this, he looks at it, and he says, "Are you related by any chance to, so-and-so?" He says, "Yeah, that's my brother." He says, "That's your brother?" He says, "Bring him in immediately." He brings him in, the Stipler Gaon wants, he wants my brother. He brings him in immediately. He says, "What is Stipler Gaon?" And he says, "Is this, so-and-so?" He says, "Yeah." He says, about 12 years ago, you were learning in a base medrash. And in this base medrash, you were going and you were learning, and all of a sudden there was a person that was cleaning. And you were in the way. And he asked him, "Can you please move out, move out of the way so I could clean this area?" And you moved out of the way, and he cleaned that area. And then he went to your area where you were moved to, and he says, "Now I need to clean this, or can you move back?" And he moved back. And it says, this shamish, this cleaner, he recently passed away. And he caused you Bittul Torah. He caused you, to not learn, in a few seconds. He says, "Can you do me a favor? Can you go to his grave with 10 people and be mochel him, forgive him for causing this Bittul Torah?" So the lesson that we could take away from this is a few minutes that was missed in learning, but so precious is a few minutes of learning Torah that the Stipler said, no, you need to go and ask him for mechila. And this is what the Maharal brings down, something very interesting. Like, let's say you waste time in your schmoozing when you're supposed to be learning, and then you go and you return to your studies. So fine, you could have returned to your studies, but the Maharal says that it's more difficult if you're schmoozing with a woman, that's someone that you're not related to. You're speaking to that. It's more difficult for you to go back to learning after a conversation with this type of woman, as opposed to just having a regular conversation. And this just teaches us and learn, that we have to take in mind the importance of learning Torah, the importance on focusing on the delving in the Torah and the focus on the Torah, and what could result on the lack of that.